Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We're at Target here. We find the whole set of the new 2025 Jurassic World Survival here. You find the whole set. They're $12.99. They show $13.49, but it's $12.99. It's Jurassic World Survival Strike Attack here. You got the KOSMOCERATOPS here. You got DIMORPHODON here. We got NANOTYRANNUS here. And the last one here, we got the DILOPHOSAURUS here. DILOPHOSAURUS here. That's what it look like here. They're $12.99 here. I think temporary will be $13.49, I believe. And this is the whole set will look like on the back. So there's a button here. That's for the Dilophosaurus. It's a new Dilophosaurus. It's the red one. Usually these are green. I don't see the wingspan on here. Come on here. That's pretty cool. A lot of detail is that mouth is. See that? And there's a spit. That's a spit from the Dilophosaurus inside that mouth. See that? There's the poisonous spit he got there. The Dilophosaurus. Look how detailed that mouth is, and the teeth here, the legs and arms are articulation here. It moves. So these are the new for 2026 here. Let's look at the DIMORPHODON here. Strike Attack here. Look how, like I said, push the button here and the wings will fly. Look how detailed these are. These are pretty detailed. I like these new ones. Too bad the prices went up a little bit now. Jurassic World Survival. These used to be $11, $10.99, but now they're $29, a dollar more for 2026 here. And here's a Strike Attack here of the NANOTYRANNUS here. And this one, let me see. This is a swing tail. You swing the tail and it moves. So you see how this goes. There you go. So you swing this one. You swing the tail forward, and it will move. Like I said, there's the articulation on the hands and legs too. But see it? I like these new ones. They're like, look at this color scheme of this one. It's kind of green in there with the back here, so it's pretty cool. And here's the last one. This KOSMOCERATOPS here. This one, I think you got pushed down. Yeah, you do got pushed down. There's a button here. So, put this button here. Look at that. Battle. It's battling armor on the front here. Look at all this detail on these horns here. So, these are the new KOSMOCERATOPS. And don't forget, they also have the, when you look at the Frenzy Pack, they're cheaper. The DIMETRODON here is one of my favorite. Look at that new color scheme. That's why I like these. Another one is the MONOLOPHOSAURUS here. MONOLOPHOSAURUS. I'll take a look at the price to verify, but I think this is on sale too. This Carnotaurus. It used to be $39.99, $37.99. I'll go to the scanner here. For some reason the scan phone does not work here. So yeah, so these new Jurassic World Survival Strike Attack is $12.99 here. It's $12.99. It shows $13.49, but they say it out of stock. But these are new for 2026 Strike Attack. And the Frenzy Pack. See, you say Frenzy Pack. I believe these are cheaper. I think they're $9.49. It's $8.99, so it's even cheaper. $8.99 than what the price is. These used to be $9.49, so they lowered it, or it's just temporary. So take advantage of this temporary 50 cents off on here. And this Carnotaurus is on sale this week only. Yep, it's $18.99. It's on clearance now, so you save 50%. This used to be $37.99. $37.99. Now it's $18.99. See it? So they didn't put the price on this here. So $18.99 for Jurassic World ROARIN Real Feel Carnotaurus, the devil of the dinosaur. Carnotaurus here is $18.99. So take advantage of this clearance here of these Jurassic World toy here. I can show you why they didn't put the prices on here for you, but some of this, you see it, they got a whole row of Carnotaurus here. It's $37.99, but it's $18.99. Didn't put it on here. So take advantage of this clearance for the Carnotaurus if you can get this here. So when you put this back here, so when you come here and check the prices before you go here. Don't forget they have the new one of the Hammond collection. You got ORNITHOLESTES here. There's the Raptor version. This is $14.99. And you also got the new Jurassic World collection SINOCERATOPS here. It's $24.99. So the SINOCERATOPS here is $24.99 here. So it's the Hammond collection, new for 2026 here. The broken horn SINOCERATOPS here. Look at the horn detail on this. Pretty cool here. Dinosaur. Good thing about the Hammond collection is very detailed and good color scheme. The only bad thing is they don't make no sound. Okay, but they're very detailed figures, dinosaur figures. Still got the Spinosaurus Danger set here. This is $37.99. And the Distortus Rex Island Escape is $53.99. But I believe this is on sale too. Let me check this for you. So this Island Escape Distortus Rex, I think it's there's a little price discount. Yes, it is. It's $45.89. It's on clearance. You get 15% off here. Originally $53.99 is $45.89. So it's $45.89 for the Distortus Escape pack right here. So it's $45.89 for this Distortus. So there's a couple sale here on this Target. I don't know why this super colossal here is still $74.99. It's ridiculous. It should be $50, $49.99. So some of these are overrated and overpriced. So it's, I don't know why they still got these stairs and around. This should be clearance. It's not. And this is overpriced too. Is this Giganotosaurus and TERANODON is still $79.99. This should be $40. Should be a reasonable price. You have to take a listen here. This one got a sound. Giganotosaurus and TERANODON, my favorite. TERANODON, one of the best dinosaur feature. And just like I said, look how big this mouth can get TERANODON. So $79.99. So the new set, like I said, Strike Attack DILOPHOSAURUS here, and with the spit action on his mouth. Look at that. This is a must buy. You can find this one. Look at that spit in his mouth. This is very detailed DILOPHOSAURUS, the color scheme, and these are $12.99. It's gonna be $13.49 pretty soon. So get it this week. Strike Attack, NANOTYRANNUS. We also got the DIMORPHODON here. This is the pterodactyl version here. And the last one here is KOSMOCERATOPS here. They still got the Spinosaurus claw here. It's $19.99. Beats Bitsy here, $36.99. Jurassic World mass, Velociraptor, $17.99. And the Spinosaurus mass is $26.99. And Power Devour T-Rex is still $53.99. This should be $40. So don't buy this. You can get these at $39.99, sometimes on sale, or at Ross you can get it $39.99 now. But don't forget these Wild World set is probably the best set they ever had. The Jurassic World Ceratosaurus here is $15.49. So this is a must buy. Here's the other three you can get is the AFROVENATOR, PTERANODON, and Reimagined here. So these are must buy. Wild World Ceratosaurus. So the Bite and Blast is still here. The Mosasaurus. This Target got a lot of these old ones. The last one I went, almost all gone. And they still got the Tyrannosaurus Rex off-road. I don't know why it's still $53.99. And the Dominus Rex is still $53.99. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.